was the area that was
Okay, why don't you read it to me? Go ahead.
says
What's the ID number?
2194.
Okay, go ahead.
It says a copper wire of length 1.60 meters.
1.60. Hey, I think you have the wrong room.
Meters.
Yeah. 1 point.
1.20 meters.
Yeah.
And diameter of 0.8 millimeters.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is suspended from 2 points 1.4 meters apart.
Like this.
Yeah.
And they're 1.4 meters apart.
Yes.
Okay, go on.
At the same horizontal level.
Mm-hmm.
A load of 3 kg is hung from the center of the wire.
Mm-hmm.
So, determine the stress, strain, and young
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, the stress, strain, and extension produced in the wire is strain.
And which part is confusing?
Like, for the stress, it's force over area.
Yeah.
So what I thought was we do half AB.
A half what?
To get the area.
A half what though?
AH, sorry.
Like for the strap.
Like, for the, it looks like a triangle.
Oh! I understand. No! The area is here on the wire.
Okay.
So it's still the usual formula, pi or squared. Yeah? The only question though, is it one of these or two of these? Yeah, this question is not very clear because I don't know if they mean for us to imagine that there's one or two circles here.
The diagram suggests that after a unit at the point is
There's a little line.
a little line.
So, I guess just one circle. Well, I mean, you can see from the picture.
That looks like
Yeah, it just has a little, yeah. This question was a very hard question. I remember it last year as well. I think all the other questions aren't like this, right?
no, but then like 26 is really look at it.
Does it just look difficult or it is difficult?
Because like
Yeah. Yeah, no, I get what you're saying.
Like two wires will definitely form something. But again, the diagram still has like an attachment to the
Yeah. I don't know. It's not clear. It's not clear what they want us to do here. I'm totally confused by if they want us to imagine it as one or two circles. I honestly don't know what it is they want me to do here. One or two circles. All I remember is last year when I did this question, whatever one I picked turned out to be the wrong one. So I can't remember if I picked one circle and it was two, or I picked two circles and it was one. So
like how many marks do you think this question is?
it's gonna be like a 4 marks maybe, you know. But what year is that question from?
2013, 2014.
You see, that's like 2 exam writers ago. You know, the person who writes the exam now, I don't think he'll make them. You won't make them this hard. That was a very hard one, maybe even too hard. You know, I would recommend that you don't worry about this one. I think they've made that question too hard, to be honest. If you're really concerned, I think it'd be better to have a look at the solutions.
Check the solutions didn't make sense.
It didn't.
Yeah, it doesn't show what exactly are they doing.
No?
It was very confusing, right? Solutions.
This kind of like I think they use the area of like triangle.
Yeah,
No,
like,
no,
it
they
looks
couldn't have.
like, yeah, it did.
A triangle.
Like something like that, but then
Well, are you sure they didn't, Peter, that maybe they didn't just take this and resolve it?
No,
No, the diagram really looks like a triangle.
I know, but
I can show you
Like
the
you
diagram.
find the height and the size there and everything.
can you open the answer, Peter?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, but the area is always the area of the wire. So do you see the way in the picture? It's two wires, but there's only one wire attached to it.
So what's extends?
That's the other thing I remember. 3 years ago, a student asked me the same thing, and I said, "Well,
Oh, no, they use
maybe it's this or
like,
that."
like they use signs or something.
Yeah, can I have a see? Let me have a look here. Oh goodness.
Makes sense.
Can't use like angle.
Mm. Mhm. I mean, I can get it started for you, Bello, looking at this here. It's, what they did was, they took this and they resolved it. So this tension here, they broke it up into two. Okay? Yes? Now, you can easily work it out. I'll just jump to the answer. But the angle here, from using a bit of trigonometry, is, they say it's 61.04 degrees. Okay? Do you know how long this length is here? 0.8, yeah. So you could work out the angle quite easily. So what they're saying is the total up force is 2t cos 61.04. Yeah?
2 T,
Yeah.
the two, like,
Because there's two of them.
but the angle between them is it 61?
Yeah.
Addition.
No, it's symmetric. It's the same.
So you don't add the two angles, you only use one.
Just the one angle. And there's two forces. There's one here and there's two vertical. Yeah? So, yeah, okay, fine. And this is equal to 3g. So, can this give us, why 3g? Yeah, so this can give t. Yeah? We can solve this for t. And then once we know t, we can use the formula that stress equals force, which in this case is T, over area, which in this case is pi r squared. So yeah, this one's quite tricky. Quite tricky. Do you understand what's happened? So I'll show you here. What they did was, rather than worry if there's one or two circles here, what they did was they got the tension exactly here. The drawing's not great either. What's wrong with my drawing? I know, but that's the other thing we're talking about. I don't even know if that little vertical thing means anything.
Yeah, like,
It doesn't enter into anything, you know?
be like just a hook or something.
Yeah, it could just be like a little hook. Yeah. So anyways, it seems to be that what you need to do is get the T here. And then that way you're only concerned about the force and the area in one wire. So the way you get the T is by saying these two must equal the weight. So like I said, very hard question, I think. And next year, when the next student asks me, maybe I'll remember or I'll forget again. I don't know. Right. We'll leave that for Young's modulus. That was probably the hardest it can really be in the exam. How many did you do successfully?
I think so.
Yeah, that's
But
great.
I think we didn't do 26.
What's 26 about?
Just retired when I was
Oh, 26 is just a mix. The second half has nothing to do with Young's modulus. It's just a turning course question, yeah. But part A is a straightforward Young's modulus. Yeah. If this was the only question you had trouble with, that's excellent. That's excellent. that means you're as good as the teacher. Okay. Yes, indeed. Right. Will we continue? Yeah.